Senior BJP leader L.K. Advani is all set to embark on his 38-day Jan Chetna Yatra from Jayaprakash Narayan's birthplace, Sitab Daira in Saran district today. The Yatra will be flagged off from Chhapra, where the BJP leaders will reach in a short while from now. Advani is accompanied by Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley, who arrived in Patna by a chartered plane from the national capital, and straight away they took off in a chopper for Sitab Daira, where they are right now. Let's go across to Sanket Upadhyay, who's joining us live. Sanket, at this point of time, what are the main agendas on the BJP?
Well, Rhythm, it is very clear that, the issues that L.K. Advani expects to highlight are very much the same that the BJP has in fact been talking about in the past as well. The issue of corruption, the massive scams that have in fact been unearthed, and also, the fact that there is rising inflation. All these are, of course, points that the Bharatiya Janata Party wants to highlight. Also, what the BJP plans to or intends to do is very clear as far as L.K. Advani's statement yesterday in the press conference he held, that is concerned. If you go through the statement, he says that whatever Anna Hazare was able to do, he captured the public mood. But it is really the duty of the political class to stand up and take notice of what people want. That is, a corruption-free India. And if the political class fails to deliver, then in that case, it would be a danger to democracy. So what L.K. Advani plans to do with the help of this yatra is to gauge and tap that public anger and mood which is against, or as the BJP perceives, against the Congress, against the UPA, and perhaps to some extent use it to his favor. Because if one were to think of it, why would he undertake this yatra? It is not really for social service. Definitely he wants to up the stakes of the Bharatiya Janata Party, maybe, as many argue, his own personal stakes. As many people feel that, ruling him out completely as far as the prime ministerial candidate for the NDA is concerned, it should not perhaps be the right thing, because with the help of this yatra, he has been able to bat for his candidature all over again.
Let's first listen in to BJP spokesperson Ravi Shankar Prasad, who spoke to Times Now.
Maybe today we have got corruption, we have got deepening crisis in the polity of the country, which is becoming polluted and corroded. The people are yearning for a quest for probity and good governance. Advani ji is going with the motto of clean politics and good governance. It is deeply unfortunate that such a laudable Jan Chetna Yatra is being reduced to political interpretation only. That is not fair. Yes, BJP is proud that we have got many Prime Minister probables who are talented and men of potential. The party's parliamentary board will take a decision.
The buzz and the attraction and that strength which is visible in the people, that force, that strong voice is there. And I think it's going to prove differently. And so it's an amazing situation where people are going to participate in a big way. But that buzz is there, and that is what was my doubts, that buzz is there. He is our leader. He has been our leader. He's been the Deputy Prime Minister, and he's the senior most leader. And any big action has to be taken under the stewardship of a leader like Mr. Advani. But as far as the Prime Ministerial choice is concerned, I can promise the nation we'll have the best Prime Minister in this country.